myself Dr.P.Aruna, Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about modes of interaction in human-computer interaction. Interaction should be in different modes and different domains. We have to face lot of steps for interactions. Let me see about one by one. So terms of interaction, it can be done in the non-mens model. So we have to see about interaction frameworks also. These are the some of the terms of interaction: domain, goal, and task. This is the major interaction terms which are used for interacting between the human and the interactions. First thing is in domain. The area of work is under study. That is, we have to analyze the area where we are going to work. That is, for example, graphical design. We plan to design a graphics in the graphical design. So, goal is to what you want to achieve. We have to create some diagram, pictures or images. So here we have to create some solid red triangle. Task: how you go about doing that. What are the different operations we have to perform for designing the triangle, red triangle in graphical design medium. So we have to first take a steps. We have to analyze. Start we have to doing the diagram. That is select till tools selecting some filled tools and click over the triangle. We have to fill the shape, we have to fill the color also. So we have to use some traditional interaction methods for doing the two tasks as well as to achieving the goal. These are the 7 stages we have to face for interaction with an human and the computer system. That is, there are different models to achieve the goals. So, in this model is called Donald Norman's model. User can establish the goal. First, we have to establish the goal, then formulate the intention, specify some action at the interfaces, executes action, perceive system states, interprets the system states, evaluate system state with respect to the goals. We have to follow these 7 stages to achieve our interactions. Let me see one by one. These execution is also called as an execution or evaluation loop. See the example. Goal, we have to achieve some goal we have to get from the system. So from goal system to goal we have to evaluate, otherwise we have to execute. Evaluate in sense after execution we have to evaluate it. So there are different steps in that: user establishment, establish the goal, formulate the intention, specify action at the interfaces, execute action, perceive system state, interpret the system state, evaluate system state with respect to the goals. This is the structure of the loop. Next, first we have to achieve the goal. So user should establish the goal. Next, after that we have to formulate intention, specify action at interfaces, execute action. It can be done in the execution phase. Next, for evaluated, perceive the system state, interpret the system, evaluate the system first. We have to establish the goal. For that, we have to make some formulation. We have to take some action. First, we have to test. We have to perceive the system whether it will adapt or not. If it is adapted, then implement. Then we have to evaluate the goal. By using Norman's model, we can define execution and evaluation as gulf of execution and gulf of evaluation. So human error also can be made while during the process. Slip, mistakes are fixed. We have to fix some things. So slip means understanding system and goal, correct formulation of the action, incorrect action can be taken. Mistake means wrong formulations or may not even have right goal. Next, fixing things means slip the better interface is a mistake have to better understanding of system. We have to avoid that. Then there are different frameworks, interaction frameworks. First user, input, system and output. That means user should give the input to the system to the output to get an output. Unique languages are needed for interacting between the user and the output. This is the structure of the Award and Billings model. That is an S. O. S means system, O means output, I means input, and the U means user. User have to interact with an input system. Input automatically gives some performance to the system code. Again, you should give some performance to the output screen. This is CHC interfaces. That is the main point of human. They have to give some input. System system should be processed. Again, it should be designed and output will be get. From this, we have learned about different modes of interactions. Thank you.